Hi kids, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the causes for unemployment as well as some of the definitions that have to do with unemployment and the labor market. This will be a review for some of you from an earlier video, others this will be the first time you'll see this information. To look at unemployment numbers, we have to divide the population up into three groups. The first group consists of those who are under the age of 18 or institutionalized. For our purposes it doesn't make any sense to look at children when looking at unemployment numbers because they are not employable. People under the age of 16 are expected to be in school in this country, therefore we don't count them towards unemployment. We also don't count people who are institutionalized. If you're in a prison or a nursing home, you can't present yourself to the labor market, therefore you're taken out of the equation. Group 2 is made up of people who are not in the labor force. This counts kids who are in four-year colleges as well as people who are in the military. So Group 3 is the labor force. The labor force is made up of all people over the age of 16 who are either working or unemployed and actively seeking work. The actively seeking work part is important because anyone who has stopped seeking work for a period of 4 weeks or more is not counted towards the unemployment numbers. This results in a skewing of the unemployment rate statistic, which is accounted for by looking at the underemployment rate. There are three basic causes of unemployment: frictional unemployment, structural unemployment, and cyclical unemployment. Frictional unemployment is actually seen as a positive. This occurs when individuals are searching for jobs or waiting to take jobs soon because either they've left one employer to look for another, they've moved, they've recently completed college or a training program. So frictional unemployment actually can be a sign of a strong economy. Structural unemployment occurs due to changes in the structure of the demand for labor. So sometimes people's jobs become obsolete or their skill set just doesn't work for the job market that they're in. Structural unemployment can also be caused by geographical factors. If a factory moves from Connecticut to Tennessee, for instance, those factory workers in Connecticut who are unable to move will be unemployed for some time as they look for new work because their job left. Cyclical unemployment is caused by the recession phase of the business cycle. It's basically a result of employers cutting back on workers as demand decreases. So that's it for this video, guys. Go ahead and go to Grok King Econ to check out some questions to practice these concepts, and then go over to Moodle and take the quizzes on these two concepts. Remember, you can't move on until you've gotten 100% on each quiz.